Devendra Fadnavis of the BJP, Rahul Narvekar of the Shiv Sena, Anjali Damania of the Aam Aadmi Party. My first question is to Nawab Malik of the NCP. Mr. Nawab Malik, do you agree that your Deputy Chief Minister and Party Leader Ajit Pawar has been shamelessly arrogant?
See what he spoken at Indapur after some clip was shown on TV. I myself.
No, what do you mean some clip? That clip was of Ajit Pawar.
Listen. Yes. Then I spoke to him. Have you seen what you said? He said it was my mistake and I want to apologize.
No, what does it reflect in your view? Because he's hiding from the media. Anjali Damania. One second. Anjali Damania.
No.
He said it's my mistake.
Not hiding from media.
No.
Yesterday, one press note has been released by the.
He is hiding from the media, sir.
Today,
sir,
on the floor of House, both lower house and upper house, and today he himself gone to the media, electronic media, and spoken.
So what do you mean by saying? What do you mean? What in your view? Please explain to me. We are not politicians, you see, Mr. Nawab Malik. We don't understand. I want to know what does he mean by saying that should I urinate in dams? Those dams have drinking water of people.
No, see what?
No. One second. Mr. Malik, explain. Don't dodge it. No. Mr. Malik, explain to me. What do you mean by saying should I urinate in the dams? What do you mean by saying?
See what exactly he was speaking in a Indapur meeting, where he has said that Deshmukh is sitting at Azad Maidan last 55 days.
Sir, he says...
And his demand is not...
Sir,
which listen, which cannot be fulfilled. And for that he spoke... he spoke in Gauran language, where the people are speaking the language. In that language he is spoken.
In what?
Local people using the language.
1 minute. In front of local people.
Spoken in that language, which was not.
Anjali Damania, the NCP says today that in front of local people.
That language cannot be supported.
No, one second. Anjali Damania, this seems to be an argument that in front of local people, you can tell local people that you can urinate in them, that's all right.
No, this is absolutely ridiculous. What sort of language was this? Mr. Nawab Malik, could you please explain, was this Gauran language that you're talking about? Definitely not. Was he trying to do what Raj Thackeray normally does in his speeches? He was trying to make humor out of nothing? Definitely not on Mr. Nawab Malik. Now let me tell you, either Mr. Ajit Pawar doesn't know the facts. He was talking about Ujni Dam, which gets water supply from 2 major dams. And there is ample water in both those dams. So if it comes from Khadakwasla, there is water in Khadakwasla Dam and there is water in Bhima Asket Dam also. In fact, on this channel, I would request Arnab, kindly send your team to both these dams and ascertain whether there is enough water or no. And if there is enough water supply there, then what will Mr. Ajit Pawar do tomorrow? Can you please explain to me? What sort of statements were these?
Arnab, I want to reply Anjali Arnab ji. Arnab ji, what Deshmukh is demanding, he is demanding water supply for drinking water. It should be utilized in the kalwas. By canal, he wants a supply to drinking water.
Can I come in, Mr. Nawab Malik?
Mrs. Damania.
You see, the problem is you are trying to confuse it. No, I don't. No, 1 second. 1 second. You want to make it technical? No, Anjali Damania and Nawab Malik, 1 minute.
If it is technical.
No, I don't even want to make it technical. Because my point is about sensitivity. Absolutely. For God's sake, I am not discussing the irrigation system of Maharashtra, which is pathetic anyway. I am discussing something else. Devendra Fadnavis wants to respond to you. The question
it is. Now he has
apologized. Nawab Malik, you're on weak ground, sir.
Yes. I want to make 2-3 points. One is he really apologetic? No. Just go through his apology. It is arrogant apology. It says that by my words, if somebody's feelings are hurt, that is okay. Then he says it should not be used politically. That is why I am apologizing. So this apology is just because somebody would use his words politically. So it's not an apology for what he spoke. It is just for the political motives. And I must tell you, it is not just insensitive and disgusting. But I would like to ask, why different yardsticks? Last time on 26/11, after that, when Mr. R.R. Patil fumbled on his Hindi words, he was removed. Why not Ajit Pawar? When he speaks such irrelevant, insensitive, disgusting words, just because he is nephew of Mr. Sharad Pawar, he is not removed.
Tell me one thing, Mr. Nawab Malik. I'm just interested. Tomorrow, if your chief minister, deputy chief minister, who is trying to be chief minister, if he goes to and faces the people who have died, you know, because hundreds of farmers have died because of these. Because of the lack of water, because of the drought. I want to know what he will say to them now.
See, what Ajit Pawar make statement, he realized he was done a blunder. There was a big
Sir, it's not a statement, it's an insult. No, Mr. Nawab Malik, it's not a statement, it's an insult.
What Mr. Ajit Pawar has realized that he's done a political blunder.
Yeah.
I really doubt whether he knows the whole gravity of what he said. Number one, this is not very surprising to get these kind of comments from Mr. Ajit Pawar. In the past also he's made such comments about the media, about being a tagya in politics, and only if you're a tagya can you survive in politics. A tagya is a stubborn bull.
Narvekar, you don't have any moral to speak on this kind of
language.
But
let's stick to the topic. We'll come to our morality afterwards. Let's deal with the topic on hand. We'll come to our morality. You're the last person to judge our morality. You are the people who promised the people of Maharashtra on Sharad Pawar's birthday, 12 December, you will make the whole state load shedding free. And Mr. Ajit Pawar has the audacity to make comments like, when electricity goes at 2 o'clock in the night, you can reproduce more children. What are you trying to do? You are trying to make a mockery out of the situation in the state.
Yes.
You are trying to ridicule the state and its people.
No,
this is only the arrogance of power and nothing else.
Mr. Nawab Malik, I think that what is happening here is that your party leader Ajit Pawar is ridiculing poor people. He is ridiculing the poor people, right? Because he says, and you did make a promise on the power front in Maharashtra, you are inefficient. You can't give power in Maharashtra. You have facing an irrigation scam.
No, Mr.
One second, Mr. Nawab Malik. You have an irrigation. Mr. Nawab Malik, allow me to complete. Allow me to complete, Mr. Nawab Malik. This arrogance cannot go uncountered.
This is adding insult to injury. Nothing short of that.
You cannot govern. You cannot provide electricity, and you say that more children are born because lights go off at night. There is no other work left then. You are ridiculing poor people. You cannot provide water. You have ruined the irrigation system in Maharashtra, and you then say, should I go and urinate in dams? Mr. Nawab Malik, you are ridiculing poor people, the poorest of the poor. I want you to answer my direct question. Tomorrow, when somebody from a family where they have committed suicide because of the drought situation comes and asks Ajit Pawar, what did you mean by saying should you urinate in the dams? What will Ajit Pawar say then?
This kind of a mistake will be not occurred in future. Regarding electricity, you said you are not in a position to give electricity to the state. It is wrong. Today there is no load shedding. An entire state having electricity. Where is the load shedding is there?
In fact, Ajit Pawar has himself confessed that he has no water to give, he has no electricity to give. The underlining statement of Mr. Ajit Pawar is that there is a load shedding in the state of Maharashtra, and that is why we are reproducing more children.
Load
So
shedding
he has
in Maharashtra as
himself
on today.
considered on the issue.
Mr. Fadnavis, you know that.
No, the problem is Mr. Nawab
Malik, it is not just Mumbai which is not facing load shedding. Go to the rural area of Maharashtra. Still there is a load shedding of 16 hours. You don't know it. Just by sitting in Mumbai, you cannot understand the plight of people, poor people in the rural area.
Mr. Fadnavis,